Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages, and this is video number 3 in my series of 8 kits over 8 days. Each kit is in the Last Chance products. I'm filming on August 6th. If you're watching this after that date, they might not be there anymore because they're only available while stocks last. This beautiful kit is called Peaceful Days, and at the time of filming in Australia, it retailed for $63, but was on Last Chance for $31.50. That's half price. A bargain. Beautiful colours in this one. So as I go through, I want you to have a look and see the differences that I've made to the instructions. And then in the comments, tell me which layout is your favourite, okay? I often try to put in extra photos and move things around. I did love this layout, but I felt like I would need different photo placement for this one, okay? So mine's probably a bit busier, actually. Normally mine aren't as busy, but the background being plain makes this a bit calmer than mine. But once I've got the photos in, this is going to be a baby page layout, cherished and loved. I think it will be fine. I took out a lot of the floral because once I'd changed my format around, that would have made it too busy. So you'll see I just switched things around. I've still kept all of the circles, but my main goal with this one was, rather than having that all green and that all blue, to blend the two colours. So that's layout 1. Layout 2, I loved this one. And so I actually kept this exactly the same. And because in this workshop, the embellishments didn't go over a lot of the photos, I was happy just to copy that exactly. So that's layout number 2. Layout number 3 is this one. And what I did for this one was I made space for more photos on here. Oh, look, Ice Cave in Iceland. That's the photos planned for this one. So I knew what I wanted to include, so I just rearranged things, moving the elements up a little bit and then making my large photo mount bigger. And I took off the trees because there weren't any trees in my photos. And then this one kept it pretty much the same, actually, I think, because I really liked the look of that one. So that's number 3. And then with my Scrappy Scraps, layout number 4, I made this one using some punches and some dies. And I didn't actually make a 5th layout for this one. So tell me in the comments, number 4, number 3, number 2, or number 1, which one is your favourite? And if you were doing this class, would you do it in person here in Perth with me, or would you do it online in your own home, probably in your slippers and dressing gown?